If you're struggling to get ahead in these markets, here is a solution handed to you on a platter. This is especially for anyone wanting to manually trade and grow an account or pass a prop firm challenge. Every day I post ideas into this channel. Let's have a look at them and see how they stack up. And I'll explain how the ideas work so that this is incredibly easy for you. This was a Euro Aussie trade idea. Wait for a pullback, okay, and then we buy. But there's more to it than that. Here's the instruction. Look for a buy on the, bullish break of structure. Wait for a pullback with red candles and then set bullish alerts for the potential entry. Wait for the pullback. When you see red candles, you set an alert. So let's have a look at the Euro Oz. This was the idea back here. And I said to wait for red candles. There they are. So if we look at the time on my chart here, you'll see this was the Asian session open, right? I'll mark that up. Point of interest, look at that. So you can see that this is the 22nd, the date is US, okay? The 22nd, 1900. So we're looking for the red candles after that. Here it is, look. Down here, the 22nd, 1830, right? So it's just before the Asian session. Now I'm sending these in for the Asian and the Europe session. So the instruction was look for the red candles. Okay, here it is. There's the red candles. It didn't pull back as deep as I wanted it to. It doesn't matter. We're looking to set the green alert after the red candles. The green alert fires there, and there's another one there. So we're looking for this to come into play. See this indicator here? That. All right, so you might have got in a little bit later if you were only running off that. I took this trade based on this green alert down in here, and that was coming off this indicator. That's it. Now, when you take this trade, I mean, look, it's as simple as just following the instruction, wait for red signals, and then set a green alert. When the green alert goes off, trade it. Done. Once you take the trade, then you set another alert. This is called extreme confluence. Have a look and see where I close it up here, the little red and orange dot. That is your alert to exit. And that's where I close this trade today. Right there, done and dusted. Now, this was one of the trades that went into my trade copy to the Telegram signals. So let's just have a look at these guys. Look, Euro Aussie, Euro CAD, wait for candles to turn red and then set bullish alerts for an entry. That's it. Okay, there we were. Same time around the 22nd at 1800 down here, down the bottom. So let's have a look at the 22nd at 1800 Euro CAD. Euro CAD, yeah, here it is here. The 22nd at 1800, I could mark it up. 22nd, there's 1800. Okay, that's when I sent the idea in. Wait for the bullish signal. Now, why does that look a little bit different? Hang on. Oh, that's a 1 hour time frame here. That's why. This is a 1 hour. Okay, see where my mouse is wiggling, I should say. Yeah. So you're going to enter this trade on the 5-minute chart. So that's the time it was trending up, and then we got these red signals, and there's your entry. That's your entry signal right there. You see that green flashing on? That's your entry signal. You take that trade. Where do you exit? You got 2 opportunities to exit, on that one or that one. Okay, keep an eye on these as well. That'll help you exit. And you can set alerts for these exits. Guys, this is it. This is all you need. Look, these go in, you wait for these, set alerts, so that you get a notification when I've posted one of these trade ideas. The pound Swiss, look at this one. Possible sell if this gains momentum. Set up a sell alert now. Set a sell alert on this pullback right now. Okay, what is it? Pound Swiss. This is lucrative for you. Big time. There it is. That was the alert. Look, we were in here and I said, set up a sell alert now. There's your sell alert right there. Enter. There's your exit right there. Guys, are you missing anything? I mean, seriously, I don't get why a lot of people don't snap this up. This is gold. I mean, this is life-changing stuff. Euro dollar. Look for a pullback. Okay, look, possible buy on a pullback. If it trends down, I may move the buy limit order and set a buy alert. All right, there's gold. I was looking, yeah, I did. I removed that buy limit. Let's have a look and see what happened with gold. Sorry, euro dollar. What am I talking about? This is gold, I should say. This, what you've got here it's so valuable. Oh, yeah. Here we go. This was the thing. Wait for the pullback, red, and set a buy alert, and that was the buy alert. It was after the Asian session. That's the buy alert right there. Look at the outcome. Tighten up that stop. Look, I'm doing daily mentorship videos on this. If we go back, I'll show you that. In here, the channel above here, and we'll come back to this in a minute, daily mentorship, look. This was going through everything this morning, market watch and alerts set up. Guys, this is me organizing these trades and getting it ready for you. Okay, back to the ideas. Seriously, look, it's free for 14 days. Give it 14 days and see how this could change your life. And then after that, it's only $29.95 a month, guys. It's ridiculous. And I'm just blown away that people are not seeing this. I don't think you realize, a lot of people don't realize what, the value that this is. There's nothing, you won't find this anywhere. It doesn't exist except for here. So that's the Euro Aussie outcome. Nice. All you got to do is set that alert and then just jump in on the alert. There's the Euro CAD outcome. There's the Euro dollar outcome. There's Bitcoin was no trade. Oh yeah, there was a Bitcoin. See, and the thing was, look, up here, buy on a bullish break of structure as long as it fails to break below the blah, 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 blah. Oh, we didn't get it. There's no green signal. So there's no trade. Simple as that. Now, the pound Swiss, that was the other one. Look at that. All right, let me show you this. Trade a prop firm account, and you are an independent trader. There's a way to do this. Over here, if you want to set up multiple prop firms, here's how you do it. I use a Pepperstone C Trader account. It's a demo account. This is it. And I trade all the stuff on this account in TradingView. Now, I've got this set up, like I've got two programs. One is Traders Connect and the other one is Duplicium. I've got multiple accounts on both of these platforms. I prefer Duplicium, and I'll show you Duplicium. Here's what you do. You set up this C-Trader account in Duplicium. This is the master C-Trader account up here. Now, you can set this up for free on Duplicium. They give you a free account. Set this one up as a free account. They give you 2 free accounts, but you're limited to 50 trades on the slave account with the free slave account. 50 trades a month, and you might want to take more than that, right? But you set up C-Trader as the master account, and then under you set up slave accounts that copy from the master account. Now, there's only a handful of prop firms that will allow you to copy from a personal account like this to the funded account. I have that list if you want that. So just reach out and I'll give it to you. But this is a way to leverage and make a huge difference, guys. Here it is. Snap this up and run with it. Look, even just try for 14 days and get it right. And then when you see that you're trading and winning on a demo account, shout me sushi once a month. Okay, this is ridiculous. I'm giving this away. It's a new indicator and strategy launch. I should put that in there because we're launching our indicators and all the signals that you just saw, plus the strategy. All right, we are now in the 4th week. This is week number 4. We are having winning weeks back to back. So just shout me lunch before that goes up to $79.95 at some stage soon. Lock it in and make a difference. All right, so look, with that, I will welcome you and well done if you can recognize this opportunity. Okay, have a great day, safe trading, and I'll see you in the next one.